Our Thai vocabulary shorts have a new look. Today, I'll explain why I made this change and what's behind it. I've been posting a lot of Thai vocabulary shorts lately, and some of you may have wondered, why did you change the format? Today, I want to share the thinking behind this new format and why I made the change. When I first started learning Thai vocabulary, I tried to memorize it from plain text lists, organizing everything in Notion, building word lists in Excel. But honestly, no matter how many times I looked back at them, the words just didn't stick. When you're only looking at a list of Thai words and their translations, seeing a word isn't the same as remembering it. If you've ever studied a language before, you probably know exactly what I mean. So when I started making these videos, I made two key changes. The first is the order things appear on screen. For example, with the number 0, before, I'd show the number and the Thai word on the same slide at the same time. But that means you see the answer before you even have a chance to think about it. So now I show 0 by itself first, pause for a beat, and then reveal soon. This is based on a concept in psychology called active recall. The idea is that the moment you spend searching your own memory for the answer, even just a split second of, wait, how do you say this in Thai, helps it stick far better than simply looking at the answer. The second change is that instead of a plain text list, I now show vocabulary as a video, combining image, sound, and text all at once. This is based on an idea called dual coding theory. In simple terms, using an image and text and sound together gives your brain more than one path to remember something, instead of just one. For example, with February, instead of just showing the word Gumpapan and its pronunciation, pairing it with an illustration creates a memory hook that text alone can't. Honestly, even for me, these videos have been much easier to remember than a plain word list. Here's what that actually looks like.
Thai. 0 to 10. 0.
0
1.
1
2.
2
3.
3
I plan to keep making vocabulary shorts using this same approach. So far, I've covered consonants, vowels, colors, flavors, clothing, and fruits. If there's a word list you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments. And if any of you have ideas for making these even easier to remember, I'd love to hear those too. Let's keep figuring out the best format together. That's the story behind the new look of our Thai vocabulary shorts. Next time you watch one, I hope it makes a bit more sense why it's put together this way. See you in the next short. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.